Alright, Average Corey here. Just want to say, January, subscriptions are free. All you got is click that button. Not hard. After watching this video, you'll think twice and you'll hit that button. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a great night, guys. Average Corey.
Okay, here's another junkyard gem. We believe it's a 53 to 55 Ford F150 panel. No motor, nicely banged up in the front fenders. That's the hood seized, can't get into there. But we think it's a pretty rare vintage vehicle. It was an old, someone painted over the original lettering, but it was an old delivery van or some sort. I can't make that out. Brand something. It was someone's old work truck. Interior looks basically this. It's identical to an F150. It's nicely rotten. I don't think that seat doesn't look original, but actually seat looks older than 53, but let's see if the glove box will open. Nope. We cannot open the glove box. It says someone installed a radio in it. I don't know. That's not a factory radio. And it's still got the original heater in it. Yeah, it's not too bad here. A little bit rust in the quarters. It even says Ford stamped in it. It's not an emblem. The last year it was on the road, according to the tag, was 1970 in Manitoba here. And I don't know how that door opens, but we won't open it. It's full of lights, apparently. But wood floor appears to be fine. Inside looks pretty decent. That's been fixed once. That's a fairly, I would say it's a rare vehicle. It's hard to see over there. It's pretty much the same. The front fender has issues on this side as well, and the quarters are a little bit rusty. Someone put some makeshift turn signals or side marker lights. I don't know what they are. I'm assuming they're turn signals. Probably didn't originally come with turn signals. And the hinge has been busted there, and they fixed that. Neat old vehicle. We got one other panel van we'll show you right away, but too bad I can't clean that up a bit to probably tell you. I can't make that. H-U-L looks like another H. E-N-E. Yeah, that's old delivery truck. So we'll show you, we'll go to the other one and we'll show you that one. That one's either in a little bit, probably more rare than this one. So here's another gem panel. It's a Dodge. We're not sure the year. I think it's an early 50s, but it could be from 48 also. You can tell us in the comments. It's been slightly hot rodded in the past. No motor is in it right now. It was set up for, the mounts are set up for a small block Ford. It still has the Dodge rear end in it. So it's a little odd combination. Odd shaped grill in these things. But it's still got the Dodge Ram. And you can also see someone's done a little bit of pinstriping. You can see underneath the dirt, all the way around the hood. You can see here a little bit more with blue paint, and even on the fenders, someone's did a decent job of pinstriping. It's got the 2 opening side hoods. But yeah, it was weird that someone set it up for a small block Ford. Busted window with a real short running board. And even more pinstriping around the door. And it did say town, so I don't know if that's the model. And if you look inside, it's got a Ford shifter, so I'm assuming it probably had a Ford transmission at one point. It's got an 8-track player in it. Funky looking dash. A Super GTX sticker on the other side, on the door. And looks like imitation leather headliner and brown. I don't know if the door will open. No, I don't want to force anymore. Was green at one time, now it's white. Mirror quarters are a little bit of Bondo, but no rust through. I'm pretty sure someone's made some flares here, because that's all been Bondoed in. That might be even fiberglass. I think it's fiberglass and they smoothed it out with Bondo. And more pinstriping around the back and around the tail lights. It's definitely a funky van. Wood grain all the way around. So someone is making this into a party van or something. Has a nice sponge carpet, green shag carpet in there. But the floor doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of rust hole by the wheel wells. Other than that, outside's the same. Got a funky fiberglass wheel well opening. Old chrome rims. Yeah, I'm not sure what model this is. It's weird looking. Well, it's definitely been sitting here a while. Weeds are going through it. Yeah, it's got mags all the way around. Oh yeah, and here's another gem. 455 Pontiac.
There's a big hole in the piston.
Yeah,
the cylinder wall.
I don't know where you can see the hole.
There's one right here.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's the head with the header.
That's
With yeah. That one's toasted. Womp, womp, womp. But yeah, if you like these panels, these weird panels, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.